Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI. At the end of a long day, isn't it the best thing ever to get into your comfy PJs? That's exactly how I feel with this beautiful set from HiMONE. This set is made with super soft viscose fabric. It's cool and breathable, something that I want more and more as I get older. Not only are these comfortable for sleeping, but I could literally lounge in these all day like a queen. They have an elastic waist and they even have pockets so that you can store late night snacks that you sneak down for. These stay cool and soft even under my blankets. I can feel that I am completely wrapped in luxurious fabric. I love this mint green color as well. It really feels nice and refreshing when I put these pajamas on after a long day. This set definitely feels like super high quality. And after you wash them, they are just as soft every time. There is really nothing better than getting into your favorite warm, soft pajamas at the end of a long day. And that is exactly how I feel every time I put this set on. And that's my point of view.